Hi there. For all those who are new here, I'm Neeraj. Keeping up the promise, I'm about to share another kebab recipe today, which is made of plantain, that is raw banana, and a very healthy grain, millets. It has royal texture and melts in the mouth with rich flavors. So let's begin with the kebabs. I took 4 raw bananas and boiled them and mashed them, and we take them in a bowl like this. 1 cup of grated carrots, 1 cup raw spinach finely chopped, 1 cup cabbage finely grated, and 1 large onion finely chopped as well. These are the millets. I just took them half a cup raw millets and boiled them. 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, lots of chopped coriander leaves, and 2 small green chillies. This is optional, you can avoid them also. 1 teaspoon of Aamchur powder, raw mango powder also we call it. Now I will add melted butter. Now we will mix all our ingredients nicely. So everything is mixed properly. Now we take some oil in our palms. Take some mixture in our hands and make kebabs of whatever shape we want. We take the pan and heat it moderately and add 1 teaspoon of oil in it. Some more oil on this side. The butter we added in the mixture was to make the kebab softer, and the oil we added now is to make the kebabs crisper. Cook them from the other side as well. So friends, the kebabs are ready. Serve these kebabs with fresh summer salads and sauce of your choice. Try these kebabs out and do let me know how you like them in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.